How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a skateboard truck. The first piece you're going to want to need is the base plate. This is what connects everything to the board. The next piece you're going to want to need is the hanger. This is what holds the wheels onto the base plate. What you're going to want to need next
90% of the time, I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
is your two bushings. One is a cylinder, this is the bottom one. One is a cone, and this is the top one. What you want next are your two washers. One is big, this is the bottom one. One is small, this is the top one. The last piece you need is the nut. This is what holds everything together. The first step is going to be to grab your base plate. Then, what you're going to want to do from here is grab the big washer. Put that onto the kingpin like so. Then, grab the cylinder bushing and put that on just like that. Then, you want to grab your hanger. Now, put the hanger onto the base plate like that. Next, grab the top bushing, the one that looks like a cone, and put it onto the kingpin on top of the hanger. Then, what you want to do is grab the washer, the small one, and put it on top of the top bushing, like that. Next, grab the nut. Now put the nut on top of it all, and screw it as far down as you can with your fingers. Then, you can take your T-tool and continue screwing it down until it feels just right for you. Of course, you can also tighten it or loosen it next time you go skating. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe or check out some of my other videos. Thank you.